right, this afternoon, we're going to be doing surf fishing from the Loggerhead Park in Juno Beach. And got my rigs up here on the Bronco. And right across the street. So let's do this for some pomps. First surf caught Pompano. Let's measure you. Oh yeah, you're a keeper. Keeper, baby. Keeper. Got us another Pompano. This guy's going back. He's definitely short. All right. Hi, Mr. Pomp. All right. Let's go. We're gonna release this bastard. 3, go back to the ocean. There he goes. He's off. Wow. 5 minutes, 2 pomps from the beach. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Woohoo! Alright, we just went 2 for 2 on the pomps, 1 on each rig. Both of them on fish bites and sand fleas. Definitely my studying paid off. Really happy.